Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So you can see it. Your account has been disabled for violation of our terms. Learn how you may be able to restore your account. So after you will see on learn more, just tap and you can appeal, you can recover your account, but also you know that if it's not your own account, so you just add there are some photos of cars, some beauty, some travel places. Instagram won't recover it, so you just need to have photos of yourself on this account, and you just make a photo with some digits with your face, and this is the way how you can also recover your account. So, but as for me, the easier way is to create new account. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.